This is Makey Makey, an invention kit designed to teach invention literacy by transforming everyday objects into extensions of your computer keyboard. The Makey Makey Classic includes one Makey Makey circuit board, one USB cable, and 6 alligator clips. The USB cable is used to connect this Makey Makey to a computer. The alligator clips connect the Makey Makey with conductive household items in order to build simple electrical circuits. The Makey Makey website includes a range of plug-and-play apps, as well as activity guides that introduce coding to students of all ages. Your Makey Makey can be programmed using Scratch and Microsoft MakeCode Arcade. The Makey Makey Instructables Community Hub is another resource of open-source projects from teachers and students around the world. Contact one of our STEAM specialists to schedule a demo and discover how Makey Makey can connect the world to your computer.